I have an idea for a dental product that does not exist. I need to know legally how to protect my idea and then find the means to manufacture and test the product. No idea where to start. Any help is appreciated. Okay, so a dental product, this is sort of one of those areas where it's medical in nature, medical device, or if maybe it's a product related. Okay, it's going to provide some benefit health-wise. This is going to put up the initial, pointer to go have an FDA discussion. Whether it's going to be a simple class 1 or a 510K, there are some certification routes that will need to be taken before you go market and sell the product if it's going to be solving some health-related, medical-related problem. Now, in terms of the patent side or the intellectual property, it's going to start right about patent research. So having done some of that yourself, if you're yourself a dental or in that industry, that's great. You'll probably already know a lot of the players in this product space, but have that done ahead of time, then go hire a professional, go do that search, confirm, know that you're really going to have a nice broad scope of rights that you're going to go for. So taking a look before you leap, and then paying that, that big fee to hire the best attorneys you can to get that application drafted, write a solid specification, drawings, and then the claims. So in terms of the patenting, that's the process. Manufacturing and testing, that can be done once you're pending. Once you've got your patent application filed, you're going to then to be able to talk with third parties about the invention that was filed without really risk of them to be able to file anything else because you've already beat them to it. Knowing that if you're going to get into detailed discussions with them or hire them to make something for you, I always recommend you have an NDA, a confidentiality agreement in place. Inevitably, as you manufacture, as you test the product, you'll iterate. The product's going to go into version 2, version 3, and so on. And those inventions, right, those follow-on improvements need to be protected and owned by you. So that contract with the manufacturer is really important. And so for that reason, I usually recommend local business counsel drafting contracts. And you're going to get the most sort of, protections if you have a manufacturer that's local within the same state. Or out of state would be a little more risky, and then out of the country is the most risky in terms of your intellectual property rights.